Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with the smartyincubator.com and welcome to another breakdown video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the trade that happened this morning on GBPUSD, and today is Friday, NFP day, and see what exactly happened, which is going to blow your mind. It's going to be a very short video because a very simple setup happened. Although we had a very important news, nobody traded, like most people didn't trade, but I want to show you this beautiful trade that happened exactly today at 8 in the morning Eastern time. So as you know, I'm a scalper. I want to get in and out of the market immediately. So that's why the first thing I do is to check out the market on a 5-minute time frame, and then I go to 15-minute time frame, and then 1 hour time frame maximum to identify the trend, high probability order blocks, and Fibonacci levels. So right here, I did a little bit of back replay. As you can see, it's 7:55 in the morning, which is my 6 a.m. So we are 2 hours behind. So I was actually checking out the market. I went to the 15-minute time frame to see what it's doing, and it's a huge break of a structure that we actually witnessed right here. So it's a huge drop. It's just continue going down, and we never had a correction. And if I want to use my Fibonacci, it's going to be from the top all the way to the bottom, and our golden zone is going to be somewhere around here. So I knew that it's not going to happen that during my trading session it wants to go up, tap into this level, and then drop. I didn't know that. I didn't assume that it's gonna happen. So I was just waiting, and then I noticed something very interesting exactly 10 minutes after that. So right now it's 8:05, which is 6:05 in my time, and then I noticed this high probability order block exactly right here, because as you can see, we had a huge drop after this bullish candle, and then the candle after that left a gap between this zone and these candles. See, there's a gap between here and here. So I was just waiting for the price. We have a bearish trend, there's no doubt. I wasn't even thinking about going long, because I knew that it's crazy if I wanted to do that. So what I did was waiting for this zone to get tapped into, and then it finally did. So after that, I was ready to take my sell position, and then the candle after that went even higher, but it never broke outside of this box. It's very important, guys. So it means that this zone is still valid, because this week never got out of this order block. So that's why it still makes it a high probability order block. So you gotta wait for a more confirmation to take your sell position, and this is exactly happened. I was waiting for a price, and then the candle after that literally opened right after this bullish engulfing candle. So I took my sell position here, and then I put my stop loss here, and then my TP right here, which was a 1-to-1 trade. Beautiful trade. And then after that, it literally just dropped significantly. I wish that I could hold it longer. It would be a great one. And then after this trade, which was a beautiful setup, high probability order block, bearish momentum, and then correction, bearish engulfing candle after that, it was beautiful, astonishing. But a few minutes after that, I noticed this pattern. I didn't take this trade. I noticed this pattern here, this head and shoulder pattern. This one. See, it's a head and shoulder pattern. And what I did was waiting for this candle to see where it closed, and it closed below the previous candle, and it formed a very beautiful head and shoulder pattern. And you could take your sell position here, and take your put your stop loss here, and your TP somewhere around here. And as you can see, it dropped really significantly. So you could have just close it here if you wanted to. I always close it after 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade, because if I wanted to close it here, I can see another head and shoulder pattern that actually shot up, and we have a very strong bullish engulfing candle right here that kind of destructed everything. So it would be another 1-to-1 trade, which was a really good one, and that's why that's why I just wanted to close it to 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. It was a really good one, because see that we have another head and shoulder right here. So that, I mean, two trades, I'm not saying right after each other, but if you wanted to wait for a few more minutes, then you could have seen this pattern here, and you could take your sell position here from here, which would be awesome. So that's the trade for GBPUSD, guys. I'm not gonna for EURUSD. I don't want to go for like the other ones because GBPUSD and EURUSD are almost the same, so the same pattern literally happened for that one as well. So this one, was the one that actually was watching, and I wanted to share it with you guys. But before you go, let me show you the results of Goldie Incubator that happened during London session in the past 24 hours, which is going to blow your mind. We are literally up $3,000 since January 21st, and today's date is March 4th, and these are the trades that it literally took. Look at this, March 4th, these are the trades that it took, which is absolutely crazy, like 6 trades probably. And you can also watch the live results on my FX book. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Go feel free to check it out yourself, and you see that how much we are up in profit, almost 30% in almost 40 days, if I'm not wrong, since January 21st up until March 4th. So feel free to check it out yourself, and you can try Goldie Incubator for 7 days for free. Yes, you heard it right. The only thing you need to do is to check out smartyincubator.com, grab your license, and then send us an email. We'll manually activate your account, and you can enjoy your profits. So thanks for watching this video again, and see you in the next one.